It's easy to look at a successful short-form video and assume the creator had a massive subscriber base, the perfect niche, or huge production budget. But the system distributing these videos ignores all of those factors. It judges every piece of content on a single, ruthless metric: viewer retention. This graph tracks audience retention. When viewers swipe away early, the data line plummets to 0, and the algorithm permanently stops pushing your video. To maintain a stable, high retention line, you must bypass their instinct to scroll. We do this using a structural framework called retention psychology. It is a calculated method used to override the modern compulsion to swipe to the next video. Defeating the algorithm does not require negotiating with a machine. It requires predicting and systematically controlling human behavior. This diagram maps a standard 30-second video timeline. Success hinges on this isolated window at the start, second 0 to 3. If a viewer leaves now, the remaining 27 seconds effectively do not exist. The algorithm reads a weak start and halts distribution. Surviving these first 3 seconds requires a specific psychological tactic, known as cognitive overload. Rather than a slow introduction, deploy 3 distinct elements simultaneously: a compelling audio cue, a striking visual action, and on-screen text. Stacking these inputs forces the brain to process multiple streams of information simultaneously. It floods the viewer with curiosity, which pauses their thumb before the physical reflex to swipe even registers. A properly constructed hook biologically prevents the viewer from leaving. Once you secure their initial attention, we move into the long middle section of the timeline, the body. Here, the primary threat is dead space. A long pause or a static frame gives the brain time to disengage, which instantly triggers the scroll. The countermeasure to dead space is frictionless consumption. Visual content must be immediately understood without requiring deep cognitive effort from the viewer. You maintain this by using relentless pacing. You apply frequent jump cuts, add rapid punch-ins, and microzooms to keep framing in constant motion. On a psychological level, the brain interprets constant visual movement as new, incoming information. It forces the eyes to stay locked onto the screen. The middle of a viral video is engineered to systematically remove every possible excuse for the viewer to look away. This brings us to the final segment of the timeline, where you deliver the exact payoff promised by your hook. Whether the story is heartwarming, is simply outrageous, or purely educational, this climax needs to hit in the absolute final frames. Then you follow a strict counterintuitive rule. The video must end the exact millisecond the reward is delivered. This graph illustrates the danger of a standard conclusion. If you drag out your buys, you cause a steep drop in end-of-video retention, sending a massive weakness signal back to the algorithm. Executing a sudden cut leaves the viewer physiologically satisfied by the payoff, but it happens so fast that it causes the video to seamlessly loop or drives the viewer straight into the comments. Virality is an architectural execution of retention psychology that turns human attention into algorithmic dominance.